Buying the dips is as simple as it sounds, purchasing an asset when its price has dropped. The goal is to sell it later when the market corrects itself and prices rise again. Methodically speaking, there's a lot more that goes into manipulating the crypto dip. There are many things to consider, such as when is the best time to buy, which coin to get, and how much of it. Not all crypto dips guarantee a profit, even if there was a persistent uptrend before whatever happened that brought it down. Think of it as a bargain and not free real estate. Buying the dips applies to all things. The concept existed long before stocks and cryptocurrency became the norm. A Black Friday sale is considered buying the dip. Snagging that 70-inch TV that you don't need at a 25% price is a bargain. You can then sell it to your uncle who doesn't have a TV at 50% price and make a profit. The problem is if your uncle happened to have already bought a TV, you'd be stuck trying to get rid of it some other way. A few days later, if the store decides to sell all TVs at a 20% price, you'd be out of options. Welcome back to the Core Finance channel. Stay with us until the end of the video and find out why you should or should not buy the crypto dips. Also, see if the cryptocurrencies will recover. Like and subscribe to our channel and enjoy interesting and diverse content. Will the crypto market recover, and when? It's the question on everyone's lips at the moment. Will the crypto market recover, when, and is now a good time to stick or twist? There are differing opinions and a wide range of answers to those questions, so be sure to do what's best for you in your circumstances. Over the last year, Bitcoin has seen its value surge astronomically while the volatility of the market is still evident with several crashes in values. But as you know, cryptocurrencies have seen large declines in the past and have always recovered. We're sure that it will recover this time as well. It's only a matter of time, but you never know. With crypto, everything is possible. The market is unstable, and that is why you need to think carefully if you want to continue entering crypto. Maybe it's not a bad idea to buy a dip now, or is it? Think about it, and we give you a couple of tips on when it's good to buy a dip, and you decide for yourself. So here are a few situations when you should buy the crypto dip. Buy the dips when there's an uptrend. An uptrend is when an asset's price moves in a generally upward direction. Its highs and lows are usually higher than the previous peaks and troughs. What this tells you is when the price drops, there's a very high chance it would rise back up. Many investors buy the dips when a coin or stock pulls back with the expectation that it will soon return to its original position. While there have been credible successes with this method, it remains a working theory. In reality, there's no foolproof way to know what an asset will do. One thing to mitigate the risks involved is to use the signal line. If a cryptocurrency has a known uptrend, its lowest point should never cross this line. Once it does, the coin in question might have entered a downtrend, which makes everyone else who bought the dips losers. Buy the dips to enter a crypto network. When the prices drop, it's a good time to buy into a crypto network to start earning more coins. This method is otherwise known as staking. Modern cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Cardano use a validation system called proof of stake. Coin holders can verify transactions to earn more than what they have in the network. Buying the dips in a staking network will allow you to start earning at a much lower cost. It will also coincide with the increase in transaction traffic within that network due to the price drop. Buy the dips of a well-established crypto. Bitcoin is a great example of well-established crypto. It's one of the most volatile assets in history and has survived some of the biggest crashes. The lowest dip of Bitcoin happened in 2011 when its price dropped by over 99%. It was a miracle for investors to recover anything at all after that, but they did. Despite all that, Bitcoin has managed to weather the storm of fluctuations and maintained a persistent uptrend since its inception. It usually comes down to track records. If crypto is still standing after numerous dramatic episodes like Bitcoin, it's likely to recover from a dip. However, there is also one situation when you don't need to buy dips. Buy the dips before a crash. When you can't determine if the dip is a temporary drop or the beginning of a downtrend, it's not a good idea to buy. Many things can cause a crypto dip. Network overload, account hacks, and regional bans, just to name a few. Usually when an influential corporation announces acceptance of crypto, it's a sign that the price of the coin will rise. If that same corporation decides later to stop accepting the crypto, its price will likely decline. Before buying the dips, make sure to determine what has caused them and if the market would correct itself later. Buy the dips of new coins. When a new coin or token hits the market, it often maintains an uptrend for the first few cycles. This is the exciting period where everyone is buying into the enthusiasm rather than the financial vision. Eventually, a dip will come, and it can mean one of two things. It's temporary and will come back even higher, or people have lost interest and are cashing in their early investments. In the case of the latter, it's a terrible idea to even consider holding it, let alone putting more money into an imploding bubble. Everyone likes a good opportunity, but an opportunity is only as good as what you're willing to invest in it. Crypto dips happen all the time, but not all will recover. One of the best ways to take advantage of them is extensive research. So what do you say? Do you want to buy a dip? Why? Share with us your opinion and answers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Press the notification so you don't miss more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.